Dean Davison, LiveWeatherBlogs.com meteorologist here working while up here on the East Coast coming up here. Alright, we got parts of Virginia. We got Virginia under a state of emergency at this time, which means nobody should be on the roads if you live in the state of Virginia. The whole state of North Carolina pretty much is under a winter storm warning. And we got blizzard warning now for Boston and New York City. We'll go into that momentarily. And we've already received over 4.5 inches of snow here where I live here in Stewartsville, which is east of Roanoke, 4 miles east of Roanoke. We've gotten to 4.5 inches of snow, so it's been pretty interesting here already today, and the bulk of it's going to actually move in overnight. We haven't had a phase yet of the storm, and these two phases together, watch out in the northeast because we're going to get plowed. Current radar, you can see we have some of the telegraph station down from Martinsville. Let's go move towards the southern Bedford County area. Roanoke, according to lights now, we have some other streaks near the Appalachian Mountains. These will all continue overnight, and we're expecting another 2 to 4 inches of snow. So totals could be around 6 when it all comes to an end here where I'm located and in the general area. The low is actually located down here in the Gulf, and the secondary low is in a phase, but it's located here near Bristol, Tennessee. This is going to shift right around here to the Cape Hatteras area, in my belief. That's where it's going to fade. You get heavy snow right near towards Virginia Beach and Norfolk. They're going to get pounded. And this is all going to move to the north and the east, and then start filling into the Philadelphia area as we speak along into the day on Sunday. Here we go on the map map. The low transfers its energy to the coast, and what's going to happen? It's going to bombogenesis, or blow up. 992 low by part of tomorrow. Heavy snow coming into the Philadelphia area. We got bombogenesis has occurred there. We're down to 984. When it's sitting off the Jersey coast, heavy snow in New Jersey. Blizzard-like conditions in the state of New Jersey. Also, and this will continue to bomb out. 974 by the time we get towards Boston. This nor'easter is going to plow the area through Monday, and then finally move off into the sunset here before high pressure moves in and warms up in the areas such as Roanoke. We're going to talk about the 50s by the end of the week. That's going to be nice after this also snows coming. That might also be an issue when it comes to flooding in the future. Two cities in the call is 48 inches total. Goldsboro, North Carolina. Roanoke 3 to 6 total. Richmond 4 to 8. Norfolk it's 4 to 8. I'm gonna probably say this could be on closer to the 8-inch and maybe a little higher in some isolated areas. 7 to 11 in Washington D.C. 10 to 18 in Philly. We might be looking towards 18 inches. North and west a foot, and then Burlington County area north and east 15 to 25 inches. New York City 18 to 32. Boston 15 to 30. Blizzard-like conditions. The most extreme amounts are highlighted here in the pink. And I'm going to show you this map. This is by Doug Malagari, which is our meteorologist named Blizzard. If you ever watched it, he has a few blogs to put out. And this is his map he did earlier. And I just updated some of the totals in my information to the information that it looks like on the latest information that has been put out and in the models and whatnot. Every time you hear me say this, winter storm warnings in the area will have the area of the Triad and winter weather advisories here in Roanoke. So more snow to the south and east, less snow to the north and west. Okay, let's take a look further to the north. Lower Valley, New York City, a blizzard warning. Further south, winter storm warnings. Not to say that blizzard-like conditions will not occur, and this warning may need to be dropped further to the south. And this goes all the way up to Boston at the current time. So for the Roanoke Valley, snow overnight, likely. Another 1 to 3 inches, good chance. Sunday, snow, tapering off by the end of the day. 19 on Sunday night, 30 on Monday, clearing out. 38 Tuesday, 45 Wednesday, and a warming trend towards Friday when we're going to get towards 55. And for the Triad, winter storm warning, snow overnight 3 to 5 inches more possible. Snow likely on Sunday, 70% chance, 34. 18 Sunday night, 33 Monday, 40 Tuesday, 43 Wednesday, and a warm up towards the 50s towards the end of the week, with a chance of precipitation, which will be rain in the next time. So a blizzard and blizzard-like conditions going towards the northeast. We'll keep you updated here on LiveWeatherBlogs.com. For LiveWeatherBlogs.com, this is meteorologist Dean Davison. Have a great night.